Be ready? Start. As the issues involved in both these petitions are common, we are deciding them by common judgment. The issue involved in these petitions are about validity of the award dated 28th January 2015 and award dated 27th March 2016 passed as per the provisions of the Land Acquisition Act 1984. The main ground of attack is land acquisition officer ought not to have continued the acquisition proceedings initiated earlier as per Act 1894 after 1st January 2014. Both the sides relied upon the true interpretation of the provisions of Section 24 of the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013. Para. The petitioners claim that on 1st January 2014, the proceedings under the old Act were said not to be initiated, whereas the respondents contend that proceedings under the old Act have already been initiated on 1st January 2014 and as such the impugned order award is legal and proper. So, we are required to consider the factual aspects as well as true interpretation of the provisions of Section 24 of Act 2013, subsection 1 to Section 24 of Act 2013 is relevant for our purpose is reproduced below. Para. Land acquisition process under Act number 1 of 1894 shall be deemed to have lapsed in certain cases, notwithstanding anything contained in this Act. In any case of land acquisition proceedings initiated under the Land Acquisition Act 1894, where no award under Section 11 of the said Land Acquisition Act has been made, then all provisions of this Act relating to the determination of compensation shall apply, or where an award under said Section 11 has been made, then such proceedings shall continue under the provisions of the said Land Acquisition Act as if the said Act has not been repealed. Para. On plain reading, we quite find that there are two contingents laid down therein. They are as follows. Award has not been declared. Award has been declared. Para. If the award has not been declared, clause A, proceedings can be continued and only those provisions of Act 2013 relating to determination of compensation will be applicable, whereas if the award has been declared, then the remaining proceedings will be continued as per the provisions of the old Act. However, before invoking this provision, one initial condition needs to be fulfilled. It reads as follows. Para. In any case of land acquisition proceedings initiated under Land Acquisition Act 1894, stop.